cake, and I'm going to be making a lemon cake, a lemon velvet cake. And these may look like tangerines or oranges or mandarins, but nope, these are also lemons. These are grown here in San Miguel. I'm not sure if they're grown anywhere else in the world, but these lemons are usually used to make lemon juice, anything a lemon would be used for. This is a normal lemon. You may recognize this better as a lemon. But these are also lemons. If you peel this up and you try and eat it, it's going to be as sour as a lemon. So yeah, but it's interesting how the color is orange. You can normally find yellow lemons here too. Just depends on the lemon that you plant or that you're picking. So yeah, I'm just gonna start. Princesa. So yeah, I'm just gonna start juicing these lemons. I'm gonna zest only this part of the lemon because I want my cake to be yellow. It's not like that's gonna give that much color, but yeah. I have a bowl full of lemons and I'm gonna start juicing them. Now if you see, it looks orange. It looks like an orange from the inside. But if you smell it, it actually smells like a lemon. Here are all the ingredients. I will be leaving the written recipe in the description below, but I'll try and get the amount of the ingredients right here. 3 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder. In here I have, the recipe calls for 2 cups of sugar. I have more like 1.5 cups. In here is half a cup of milk. The recipe calls for half a cup of vanilla. Recipe calls for half a cup of sour cream. I do not have sour cream. I am using Greek yogurt, no sugar. Recipe calls for a tablespoon of lemon zest, and then a tablespoon of lemon juice. I forgot to mention the butter. It asks for 1 cup of butter, unsalted, and I'm using salted butter and I'm just excluding the salt from the recipe. I will leave the recipe link in the description as well. So I'm gonna start by creaming the sugar in the butter. This is the day after. I took out my bundt cake yesterday and look at how beautiful. The color is just gorgeous and it smells really good. I am now going to be making the topping, which is just a glaze. This cake is for my mother's birthday. Today is her birthday. So the recipe calls for 1 cup of icing sugar, and I have the rest of this icing sugar, so I'm just going to be using this. And it also calls for 2 spoons of butter and a tablespoon of lemon juice. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to grab a bowl. Alright, so I have my bowl here. I think I may put this on because I'm going to be cooking. Just going to prepare this first. I am eyeballing this. 2 tablespoons. I guess I'll use the rest of this butter. We're going to melt this, and then we're going to add in the icing sugar and the tablespoon of lemon juice. While this is melting, I'm going to be squeezing out the lemon juice. I think we have enough lemon juice. I'm not using the same lemon juice from yesterday. There it is, the complete cake. Looks beautiful, doesn't it? I just want to thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, hit that thumbs up. If you try it out, let me know in the comments below. And if you want, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.